Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to read Gmail body using Gmail API. So let's get started. Go to the Google and type Gmail API. After that, click on this developer.google.com. Click on guide. Click on quick start. Here you can see there are different type of languages: JavaScript, Java, Python, AppScript, Go, Node.js. Today we are going for Java. So let's click on Java. Here you can see a document which is provided by the developers to read the Gmail body. So now there are some prerequisites: Java 1.8 or greater, Gradle, a Google Cloud project, a Google account with Gmail enabled. What does this mean is that you should have a Gmail. Which body you want to read? You should be logged in with that Gmail account. So here currently I'm using this Gmail, test demo one. If you don't have that Gmail, you should uh, be logged in with that Gmail on developer.google.com. Now the first step is enable the API. To enable the API, click on enable the API. And it will relocate to console.cloud.google.com. Here make sure that you are using the same account which you want to read. Here click on create project. Give name whatever you want to give. Click on create. Here click on next. Click on enable. It will enable the Gmail API. Wait for a few seconds. Here you can see the API is enabled. Now click on menu, go to API and services and go to auth consent screen. Here click on external and click on create. Give the app name, whatever the name you want to give. I am giving it as Intel IJ, and click on user support email and select the same email here and go down and type developer contact information. Here you can give whatever the mail you want. You can give the same email also. So I'm giving my personal email ID. So typo mistake. I think now it is correct. Click on save and continue. Wait for loading purpose and then click on again save and continue. Click on save and continue. Back to dashboard. Here click on publish app. Confirm. Go to credentials. Click on create credentials. Click on client screen IDs. Here select the application type. The application should be desktop app. Give whatever the name you want to give. Click on create. Here the credentials are generated. Download this JSON file and give the name whatever you want to give. Let's suppose I am giving it credentials. Now go to the location where you have downloaded that file. Cut or copy paste that file into your project. Here it is my project. Let me delete the old credentials here. Yeah. So create a different folder and paste the credential file, JSON file here. So I have pasted the credential JSON file here. Now go to the Gmail Reader class code. This is the Gmail Reader class code. Let me explain it to you. So here, wait, you have to add three dependencies also here. These dependency you have to add in your project. So go to form.xml file, and here are these three dependencies. And one more dependency you have to add is JSON path. So total four dependencies. So these are the four dependencies you have to add in your form.xml file. Now go to Gmail Reader class. Here you don't have to touch this code. Yeah, this one. Don't touch this code. Only the changes you have to make is this credential file path, token directory path, and here I will explain this. What is this? So now when you will run this Gmail class for the first time, first you have to provide the path for the file. Test node Gmail test node credentials.json, test node folder name, credentials file name, and when you run it for the first time, there will be a credential generated, or credential or token will be generated in the same location. So let's right click and run it. Here you have to choose the same Gmail which body you want to read. Click on this, click on advanced, go to IntelliJ Unsafe, click on continue. Here you can see there is a message received verification. You may close the window and go to the same code. Now go to that email. So here, let's suppose there are two types of email: normal body type and URL type. Normal body type is like this: hello, this is testing mail. This is simple type. So if you want to read this type of email, copy the subject, go to the code, scroll down. Here you can see subject and paste here. Test it. Now here, let me comment this and comment this. For normal body type, you have to use this line. Okay. If you run this class again, you can see the body text is printed. Hello, this is testing me. Hello, this is testing me. Now there is a second type of emails. Uh, let's suppose you are working on a website and there is a functionality of forgot password or something else. So you click on forget password, you type the email, and then you click on create password link. So when you click on that create password button, a email has been sent to you, your email ID, and which contains that link. After click on that link, you can reset your password. So in this scenario, how will you get that link without opening the Gmail ID by using password again and again? So for that, let's suppose I'm using this type of body. Let's suppose this is the link of that forgot password. So click on inspect. Now this is the link If you click on this link, it will check the activity for you. To get this link without opening Gmail, uh, copy the subject of that email, paste it here, comment this line, and uncomment this line. Now run this code again. You can see everything is printed here. If we go back, IntelliJ was granted access to your Google account. IntelliJ was granted access to your account. Check activity, and the link is here. Same link. And let me inspect the same. Yeah, this link is printed here. So you can get access to the link by removing these extra text from here and just store the link in some string or whatever you do with that you want to do with that link. So that's how you can read the Gmail body using Gmail API. You can get this code also from my GitHub repository, which link has I have been provided below. So thank you. That's it for today. Thanks for joining. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and I will reply. Thank you very much.